up, YouTube? It's not your mama, but I'm just as wise. So today I'm going to show you how to make a bouquet of lollipops. So you're gonna need a vase. I got it from Dollar Tree. This is a bowl that's plastic. This is glass. This is plastic. We got 3 floral foam, not that other crap that I had in my other video. And they're 3 and 1/8 inches. So I have 3 of them. You're gonna need E6000, glue sticks, glue gun, and we're gonna figure out as we go how we're going to embellish this. So basically, we're going to glue the glass to the plastic. I'm gonna do E6000 in the middle to hold it down. I already have one done right here. So E6000 with the hot glue. Then we're gonna stack these. So you wanna put the little part down first, and we're gonna stack this one like that, and then this one on top. Obviously you're gonna have them straight. So when you're putting the lollipops in, you're going to put them in all angles, so it's big. Underneath here, I'm gonna embellish a little bit, but don't know what I'm gonna do yet, so we'll figure it out as we go. Alright guys, so we're doing the lollipop bouquets now. It did pop off the bottom, so I'm going to have to glue it back on. But it's very simple. You're basically going to put a yellow and a pink. Well, I'm doing yellow and pink. So yellow and pink lollipops. And you just basically want to aim towards the bottom into the styrofoam. Try closest to the bottom. We're gonna fill the whole thing up and we'll show you when it's done.